Okay, I got two boxes of locks in today from this one from Joshua. Let's see if we can open it and see what kind of locks Joshua sent me. Okay, looks like Joshua sent me 4 locks. Get that out of the way. Or no, he got me 3 locks and the keys. I've got a couple of Sargent mortise lock cylinders. And then I have a KIK, have no idea what that is. Let me get a key out and look at it. Okay, it looks like that might be a Sargent Lock 2 of some type. Okay, it's a Sargent KIK, and it looks like it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 pin. Okay, I appreciate that, Joshua. Thank you very much for these 3 locks, and I'll get them checked out and fixed up and put them on video for you. Now this box is from Roger. So see if we can get into it, get the locks out from Roger. Okay, Roger sent me American Lock Series 200. There's another Sargent mortise lock. And this one, don't have any idea what it is. And okay, this says tube light or tube lit, something of that nature on that one. This is a Yale. Looks like it might be a 6-pin Yale. Okay, here's another Sargent 6-pin. And this is a Viral made in Italy. Some bitting on the key. Okay, it does work. It is key retaining. Have to have it locked up to get the key out of it. Okay, that's the key. It goes to the Yale 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. It's a 6-pin Yale. Okay, this is the key for the American Lock. Looks like it's a 5-pin. Okay, the lock does work. It's key retaining. And looks like it is rekeyable. Okay, it is rekeyable, which is good. We'll work on that. And these locks here, I'm going to have to get these open. Okay, this has some, feels like some weird pins in it. Let me get this stuff cleared off the desk, and let's see if we can open one of them. Okay, this lock I'm going to try to open at Rogers it looks to me like it's either a Kwikset or a Brinks, probably a Kwikset keyway. Let's start at the front and just work our way to the back and see what the pins feel like. Okay, got a little bit of false set out of number 1. A little bit out of number 3, I believe. Okay, there it is, open. That was a little bit tougher than what I thought. So let's go ahead and gut it and see what kind of pins Roger's got in it. I'm not going to take a whole lot of time with it, but we'll look at the pins right quick. Okay, there's pin 1, looks like it's serrated. Pin 2 looks like it might be serrated. Pin 3 is serrated, looks like. 4 and 5 looks like they're serrated. Can't really tell about the lock itself, whether it has any counter milling in it or threading. Let me just see if I can see it. Okay, it looks all like it's all standard, hasn't been fooled with. So let's go ahead and look at the top pins right quick. Let me get that, looks like it might be a spool. We'll look at it just a minute. Looks like you got mushroom spools in this lock. See if we can see if anything's been done to the Bible. Okay, it doesn't look like anything's been changed up in the Bible any at all. So, alright, let's see if we can take a real close look of the pins. Okay, these first 3 serrated key pins, serrated key pins. Looks like a mushroom spool, another type of mushroom spool. And here we got serrated key pin, pretty deep cut. And this one looks like a standard. This is serrated key pin and looks like a serrated. I think this probably come out like this. Okay, that's what we have in this lock, and I'm going to call it a Kwikset. It does have a keyway like a Kwikset. It's a 5-pin. Okay, Roger, I appreciate you sending me this lock. I probably should have practiced on it a little bit before I tried to open it, but anyway, we got it open. And thank you for all your locks, and thank Joshua for his locks, and I appreciate it. So I'll check out these other locks and get those opened up and look at the pins in those. And thank you again. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.